Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install Xfinity Internet in 2025. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is check availability. You have to visit Xfinity's website and enter your address to confirm service availability. The next is to choose your plan. Select an internet plan and complete the online sign-up process. Then you pick a self-install or professional installation date. Now, if you want to use a self-install kit, which is the recommended one, Xfinity will mail you a kit with a modem, router, and cables. Then you set up your equipment. Then you connect the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to your modem. Plug in the power cable and wait for the modem lights to stabilize. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you connect your router if separate via Ethernet cable. Next, you have to activate service. Open the Xfinity app. You can use your iOS or Android phone, and then tap Activate Internet and follow the on-screen steps. Then you search for your Wi-Fi network, the name and password of the modem, and the router label, and you connect it. Next thing to do is to go to speedtest.xfinity.com to confirm your connection. So for troubleshooting tip, if activation fails, just simply call 1-800-XFINITY or use the app's live chat. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides.